I'll guide you through how to reset your Apple ID password without knowing your old password, even if you're completely locked out. If you're looking to regain access to your services like iCloud, the App Store, or Apple TV, or you want to protect your entire digital life after a security concern, and so you need to reset your Apple ID password, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The fastest and easiest way to reset your Apple ID password is by using an iPhone, iPad, or Mac that is already signed in to your Apple account. This method works because Apple verifies your identity using your device's passcode or login password, bypassing the need for your old Apple ID password. Here's how. On an iPhone or iPad, open Settings and tap on your name at the very top. Select Sign In and Security. Tap Change Password. When prompted, enter your device's passcode. This is a key step. It proves you own the device, allowing you to skip entering your forgotten password. Finally, enter and confirm your new Apple ID password. If you're on a Mac, go to the Apple menu and click on System Settings or System Preferences. Click on your name in the sidebar, then select Sign In if Security. Click Change Password and enter your Mac's administrator password when requested to verify your identity. If you don't have a trusted device or you're using a PC and are completely locked out, you must use Apple's official web recovery portal. Go to iforgotthatapple.com in any web browser and enter your Apple ID. The system will first attempt a standard reset, usually by sending a verification prompt to any trusted devices still active on your account. If that fails, the website guides you into account recovery. The process involves confirming your phone number or other identifying details, and then you typically select the option that confirms you don't have access to any of your Apple devices. This is the necessary step when Apple needs time to manually verify your identity without the help of a logged-in device. Be aware that account recovery involves a security waiting period. This is essential for protecting your account from unauthorized access and can take several days or longer. This waiting period is often triggered if you have security features like stolen device protection enabled. You will receive an email confirming the start of the recovery process and giving you an estimated time to regain access. Once the delay is over, you will receive the final instructions via email or text message to set your new password. Now that you've learned how to reset your Apple ID password, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Apple video tutorials. Thanks for watching.